Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to the continuation of our lesson. So let's launch our Access database file. So this is where we have ended. We're on the English query. Now let me explain this for you more once again. The class score is mark is 40 marks. The class test is also 40 marks, and the homework is 20. So to give you 100, we are finding 50% of 100, that is 50. Okay, so get it clear. So it means that the class score, you are supposed to give like 4 class tests. It depends on you, either 3 or 2, and the data score should be 40. And then the class work to that 40. The homework is 20. So if you put them all together, it will give 100, and you find 50% of it. So let's change the view. So now we have found the English total score. Now let's bring English exam score. So now click on it. Save your work. Save your work. Very important. Save your work. Now here will be the 50% of the English score. Okay, here will be the 50% of the English score. So here we'll click here, and go to builder. Okay. Now here we have English underscore here you are looking for 50%. So 50% underscore exam score. Then colon. So for the English score, you say if is null. If is null. Now the English exam score times what? The English exam score should be here times 0.45. Then you close the bracket, comma 0. That's the true part. Then bring comma, copy the whole of this. Copy that and paste here. Okay. Then click on what? Okay. I've explained this formula to you, so it's similar to what you have done. So click on OK. And let's click on run. So let's put the exam score. Let's say the English exam score is 100. It will find it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly. So now we have to find the English total, the English 100% score. The English 100% score, so that we'll add the English 50% class score plus the English 50% exam score. So go to change the view and scroll scroll to the right and come here and go to builder. Now English underscore 100% and underscore score. Okay, the English 100% score. Bring the column. Then now before that, copy this and cut it. Okay, now save your work. If you save your work, the English 50% error score will appear in the expression. So come here and go to build. Now you see that it has come. So now paste that back. So if is null, then what? First of all, you are going to add the English 50% score. So click here plus the English 50% score, comma 0. Okay, so bring brackets and then comma 0. That's the true part. I've explained this for you. So the English exam score is that if you add the score or the score of the 50% class score and then the score of the 50% exam score, and there's nothing over there, display 0. But if there's something, add. So let's copy this and paste over there. So copy out of this bracket. That's all. And paste and click on OK. Now let's run it and see if it's correct. So look at it. The 50% of English score is 30, and then the 50% of exam score is 50, so it will give you 100. It means our formula is working. So let's change the view and let's do something here. The name, come to sort. We want to sort it in ascending order. Okay. So we are done. For the English. We'll do the same thing to all the subjects. Okay. Doing the same thing to all the subjects. So run. Use it. Very important. So let's close it. And you say save yes. Now right click and click on copy. Ctrl V to paste. So here, change it to mass. So mass query. Now click on the mass query. Now this is what you do. Go to the view. All these things have to be changed. So here have to be mass. I believe mass, you have to change it all. So let's change it and see if it will work. If it doesn't work, it means we have to do it from scratch, one by one. So let's scroll and come here and see if it will work for us. So let's run and see. Let's run and see. So it is not going to work for us. It is not going to work for us. So what we need to do is to delete the mass query and click on delete. So I'll close the query, close the mass, say no, and then clear the mass, delete the mass query. Say yes. So we have done for the English. Okay, so we'll do the same thing to the what? To the mass. So be at the mass table. Be on the mass table and go to create and go to query design. Query design. So the registry and then what? The mass. So close the whole of this. So we want the people's ID, the people's name. Here we want the mass classwork, mass class test, and then mass. Here we'll find the what? The total. Let's come here. First of all, save this work. Control S to save. And then this will be the mass query. Mass query. Now let's come here. Change this one, the view. This is the English total. So go to builder and then copy the whole of this. Copy it. Okay, copy it. And then come to the mass query and come and paste it here. Go to builder and paste it here. I hope it's clear. Now here, change it to mass. Okay. Now here, change it to what? Mass. Everything here should be changed to mass. It should be mass. So change the English to what? To mass. Mass. Change it to what? Mass. Yet you have to change it to mass because we are working with mass, not English. So mass. So let's run it and see. So click on OK and let's run and see if it will work. So it is working. So let's add some marks over here. So 40, and then the homework is 20. It should give you 100. That's correct. So let's go and copy the. So here we have the. So copy. Come here. Now we have done the total. So come here. Go to builder and copy this. We don't want to start writing it from scratch. So that's why we are doing it like this. Okay, so change the view. And here, go to builder and copy what you have copied from the English. Here, change it to what? Change it to mass. Change it to what? Mass. Math. Okay, so that's all. Then click on OK. Let's run it and see. It's working. So that's mass. So let's go to the English. You're going to that's what will come is the exam score. But after the 50% of the exam score, copy the 50%. Go to this place and copy this one down. Click on OK. Now go to the mass query and change the view. you will be having the what? So first of all, save your work. You will be having after the 50% class score, we have the exam score. So go to view, come here and select what? Maths exam score. That's correct. And come here and go to builder and paste what you have just copied. Paste it. Here we change it to what? Math. We change it to what? Maths. So how you name it, that's why you are going to write it over here. So click on OK. And let's run it and see if it's working. So let's assume that it had 80, 90. So it should be 45. That's correct. It's working. Let's go to, we have done this. So let's go to the English 100% score. Let's copy it. If you can do it yourself without, so right click here. Okay, sorry. Okay. It doesn't want to copy you. So come here. Control A. Or select the whole of this. And Control C to copy. Now go to the mass query and scroll to the right, and here go to builder, copy and paste rather. So here will be English. Here will be, instead of English, it will be maths. Here will be also be maths. Here will be maths. Here also be maths. So that's all. So click on OK. And let's run to see if it is indeed working. That's correct. 50 plus 45 will give us 100. That's correct. So we are finished with the maths. So we have to save it. Save your work. Now let's close the maths board. Let's close this one. Say yes. So we have to go to, let's do for social studies. So you have created English maths. So let's go to social studies. Or let's do it in this order. Let's do it for this subject, career technology. So be on career technology. Go to create. Go to query design. Then select creative art. First of all, table registrar. And then creative art. Not creative art. Close it. I don't want to say no. So be a career technology and go to create query design. Now select, you are doing career technology, so registry and then career technology. That's correct. Close this. So we want the people's ID, the people's name, the class work, class test, class homework. Now let's open one of the table and copy so that it will make it simple for us. So change the view. So we'll look at, come here and go to builder and copy this. Now to make it a little bit simple, open Microsoft Word. Okay, copy and paste what you have just copied over here, and then go to replace. Now to write English, you're replacing it what? Career Technologies ACR. So click on replace all. That's correct. Then we can copy the whole of this. Ctrl C. We can cut or hide this. We'll look at this later. And then go to the query. Now save this query. This query is called Career Technology. So QRY underscore Career Technology underscore Career Technology. And click on OK. Now here, go to the builder and then paste it here. Okay, click on OK. If you click on run, it will run. It will run. That's perfect. So change the view. So here we have the 50% of the data score. So go to the English query and copy the whole of this. Copy the whole of this. Go to the builder, copy it. Now go to the word, paste it here, and go to replace. And you are finding English and replacing it for Career Technology. So replace all. Then copy the whole of this, cut it, and go and paste it. Now go to the Career Technology and paste it here. Go to builder and paste it there. Let's check if it's working. It's working. So let's go to the other one, the English one. The English, you have the exam score. So here, change the view. There will be there. So if I will save your work, Ctrl S to save it. Then click here and expand this and click on the exam score. Then come here, go to the English one and copy the 50% one. Go to builder and copy. Click on OK. Go to the word, paste it here. Go to find and replace and click on replace all. Now copy the whole of this, cut and go and paste it at the Career Technology place here. Click on OK. Let's check if it's working well. Yeah, it's working. So let's go to English. We have done 50% of the English. So now is the total. So let's come into English and copy. That's why you have copy. That's why you have copy and paste as one of the features in this application. If copy and paste were not to be there, things will be very difficult. So now I can close the English query. You can close it. So save changes. So come to the word and paste it here. Go to find and go to replace and change it to replace all. So Ctrl C to cut, just cut it. You don't need it. Cut. And then come to the right side here and paste it there. Then go to run. So if you, let's say if I put some figures over here, let's say 40, 30, 10. That's 80, so 40. Let's say the exam you had 20, it will be 10. So if you add, it's correct. So let's save our work, close this one, close it. Now we have done for, so now you have to do it for all the subjects. So I'll do it for another subject again. And
please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.